How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. And here, go to the search and type the United States. That's the country we are going to target in today's explanation or in today's method. So here, wait for the country to show up, and here let's zoom in on the states and choose a city or a state to apply this method to. So here I'm going to choose Montana, and I'm going to choose, for example, Great Falls for a city to target in today's explanation. And here let's zoom in on the city, and let's go to the search again, and let's type some kind of a small business like gym, plumber, hair salon, or auto repair shops. But before that, I'm going to talk first about the services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to check their profile. If they have a website, we are going to check the website. If it's old, we are going to offer the renovations, and if they don't even have the website in the first place, we are going to offer to create the website for them. And the second service we are going to offer is removing the bad reviews from their Google Maps profile, because as you know, people check the business's profile in Google Maps, and they also check the reviews, whether if they can find bad reviews or good reviews. That affects the choice that they make when choosing to work with the business or not. So we are going to offer to remove these bad reviews for them to give them good reputation in the market, and also we are going to offer to manage their social media accounts. So here let's type auto repair, for example, auto repair, and here let's click on search to see all of the available shops in this area. So here we have a lot of profiles showed up, and I'm going to show you how you can find the profiles with the highest rate of answering us or purchasing our service. So the first rule is to avoid the ones with sponsored written in top of their headline or in top of the name of their shop, like this one here, for example. Make sure always to avoid these ones with sponsored, and also make sure to avoid the ones with more than 150 reviews as well. So always go for the ones with less than 150 reviews and also with no sponsored written in their profile, like this one here, for example. So here let's check their profile. Fritz Auto Repair, and by scrolling down to see if they have a website, and this is it. Let's check their website to see if it would need any renovations. Here from the get-go, it seems like an up-to-date website, even though it looks like a blog. It doesn't even look like a website for me. It looks like a blog. So here we have, let's go to the services place. I think they are still creating this website. It's not done. That's what I think. But we can contact them about the website, and we can say that we can make the renovations for the website, make it more up to date, and so on. So that's the first service we are going to offer them. And let's scroll down to see if they have any bad reviews. So here from the review summary, you will see that they have a 1 or 2 1-star review. So let's scroll down to find those, because those will come very handy when it comes to convincing the business owners to purchase our service. So here, let's wait for it to load and let's scroll down. We have here only the 5-star reviews. Let's scroll down until we find the 1-star review. That's what we are going to use in order to convince the business owners to purchase our service, which is removing the bad reviews and also renovating their website. Here we are still looking for that 1-star review, but it seems like they have a lot of 5-star review. That means they are pretty good with the job that or the service that they offer. But we're still, and here it is. We have a 1-star review from 5 years ago, and it's from a local guide. So here we have car returned in worse shape than when I dropped it off, and this is the response from the owner. Feel free to call anytime. We will be happy to take care of any problem you might have. I can't find any records of working on a car for you. So this is the owner trying to defend the business or defend themselves, but a bad review stays a bad review unless you remove it, and that's what we are going to offer them. And as I said in the beginning, guys, you won't need to learn any skill yourself or to deliver any skill yourself as well. Just your only job is to find these small business owners and then land them as a client, make them pay you from $100 to $300 for your services or for the services that they would need or the ones that you would offer them. Then open a platform which is called Fiverr.com, and that's after you land the client, of course. Here, let's wait for it to load. This is the platform where we are going to hire freelancers to deliver these services instead of us. So let's just wait for it to load. And here, when it comes, for example, to removing the bad reviews, you can hire this freelancer for only $25 to remove the bad reviews. And when it comes as well to creating the website, you can hire this other freelancer and he will do it for $80. And also, if there is any other services that you'd like to offer them, you can just hire another freelancer in here to deliver the service instead of you. So that's it, guys, for today's method. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.